If you want to be a better photographer, the number one enemy that you have is not having a camera with you all the time. And this is why I want to talk to you about a special camera that can do that for you. And also this camera can be bought at a very low price nowadays. This camera is Fujifilm X100F. Here are 5 reasons why I think it is an ideal camera for street photography, and not just that. Fujifilm X100F, it's a small premium compact camera, and even if it is not the smallest option, it is compact enough that you can carry it with you every day, be it summer, winter, autumn or spring. It can be worn in a jacket or big trouser pocket, or it can be hung around the neck or wrist with a big design strap. And even if you had a dedicated leather case, I let you know, it's still very portable. And what would the camera be like if it didn't offer good image quality? And at this chapter, Fujifilm X100F does not disappoint, but exceeds your expectations. Fujifilm simulations are very suitable for both color and black and white street photography. Provia, Classic Chrome, ProNeg and Estia are just a few film simulations that can give you a special tone to your image. Also, put the fact that you can make your own film style in this camera by adjusting the shadows, the lights, the noise, the sharpness and so on. This way you are obtaining good images right baked in your camera that are reflecting your own style. And for the simulation for black and white, you will surely wish to use across with a red filter, because this is an ideal setup for a very contrasty looking, straight from the camera, Jpeg file. Also, the maximum aperture of f2 of the APS-C external sensor should not be ignored, because you can obtain very beautiful shallow depths of field and very good portraits if you will add the TCL-X100 adapter. The autofocus of the first and second series of the Fujifilm X100 range cameras was not very good. That's why I had some doubts when I bought Fujifilm X100F. But wow, I was amazed when I realized how fast the focus was. Both zone focus or face and eye detection focus are working very well. Also, you can use a fixed point focus that it is working perfectly. The AF, it is very fast and doesn't raise any issues. I would say it is almost as fast as X100V. You can put this camera in manual focus mode and you can focus using the focusing scale. Also, you have the optical viewfinder that it is helping you to have that rangefinder experience, and also you have the electronic viewfinder and the hybrid viewfinder. Changing between these viewfinders, it is very easy. Just the push of a button. You have all kinds of focusing aids like a rangefinder, and also you have picking settings that you can do on your camera. What should we say more about the focusing of this camera? You have excellent AF and excellent manual focusing controls, so you can do any kind of focusing that you want to do with this camera. But what makes this camera great, it is the rangefinder design. This rangefinder design doesn't bother people. A design that will not scare people. It's a friendly design. And this retro design, it's making the camera to look like a film camera. And this is helping your subject to relax. But also, it's offering you an excellent experience in use. The fact that you have enough buttons and wheels and control dials will help you set it up as you want, and you will have a maximum pleasure in using this camera. Fujifilm X100F, it's not just an excellent camera, but it's an excellent system. If you add the WCL adapter, you will obtain a 28mm field of view, and also you can add the TCL adapter and you will get a 50mm field of view on your X100F. Add the fact that this camera has a built-in ND3 stop filter with a built-in flash. This means that you can do portraits in bright sunny day because of that options, and of course because of the leaf shutter of X100F. Also add the fact that this lens has a very good minimum focus distance, so you can obtain very good close-up shots. Also add the fact that when you are opening the RAW files in Adobe Lightroom, you'll have the Fujifilm profile, so you'll obtain with a very small and extremely portable system, you'll obtain good Jpegs and good RAW files. This is it. A perfect camera for street photography if you are just starting or if you have some experience. Even more, it's a camera that you can use it every day, day by day, without making the subject be attentive to you. And wow, how good a photo is when the subject is not looking at you and the subject didn't stay to pose for that picture. Till the next time, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, check the links from the description and from the comments, and talk to you soon. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.